Carbon steel for dependable, long-life blade that stays sharp. Replacement fade blade for master cordless adjustable blade clipper. The classic performance of the master, now with cordless freedom and convenience. Best used for fading and tapering on master cordless clippers. Top reviews from the United States. Good product. Excellent price, highly recommend. It is the original product 100%, and it is the new version of the company. I loved it so much and will buy again. But there is a small comment. Why is there no fastening screw with this product? As it is known with other companies such as Babyliss and Wahl. Great for my cordless masters. Was perfect.